Interface that allows the replacement or addition of an amplifier in select Ford vehicles without factory amplified THX sound system. Interface is transformer isolated. Provides 2-to-1 gain and infinite attenuation. Linear from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Not compatible in vehicles equipped with a THX or Sony amplified systems. Input connectors plug into factory stereo and vehicle harness. Interface that allows the replacement or addition of an amplifier in select Ford vehicles without factory amplified THX sound system. Interface is transformer isolated. Maintains phase. Linear from 20 to 20,000 Hz. Provides 2-to-1 gain and infinite attenuation. This adapter is a plug-and-play add-an amplifier kit for factory Ford/Lincoln/Mercury stereo systems. Easy and simple installation without having to cut up or splice the factory stereo wiring. Use this adapter to add an aftermarket amplifier to your existing stereo system. 4-channel adapter that is linear from 20 to 20 kHz. Adjustable, independent gain controls for each channel. An amplifier turn-on wire is provided. Top reviews from the United States. Plug and play. Worked perfect in a 2012 F-150.